this today's vlog, we are going to see nature and all that things. Beautiful things and the sky is cloudy. In this vlog, we are going to see many more things. So let's get started. The cloud is so much cloud. Cloudy, sky cloudy. Here's the sugar. See, wow, it's looking very green. Everywhere greenery is there. Greenery. Here's the flowers. Here's the corn. Crops.
Hi, friends.
Hi, Manas. Here Manas is also with me. Again sugarcane. Coconut tree. A large tree. Here are some small flowers. Yellow colors. Look how green is this cloud. Even here are some trees. There is something like a white color. Don't know. Whoa. Nice. I will show you one thing, huh? Whoa, water. Water. You know, we are sitting down now. It's very amazing. And the climate is different only. Fully different. So let's go ahead. Whoa. Nice. So let's go. Oh, there are some purple flowers. Sugar cane. Mostly there are many sugar. Everything, here, everything is silent. It's really amazing. 1 minute, Manas. He's moving the camera. It's really nice. See, wow, here are some climbers and birds are chirping very nicely. Oh, it's raining. It's raining now. So much. Wow. It's raining, See, the drops of water are there on the road. It's raining really. Very heavy now. Let's run. Manas, come. It's raining very heavily now. Look how heavily it's raining. Very nice. Very cold. Rainy. It's rainy now. Very nice. Manas? What? Run fast, Manas. It's raining. It's raining very fast. We are under the tree, but we are going to go to house now. Home. Very much it's raining and very rainy. The road is also wet now. Look. It's raining so much. It is not. Look at the drops there. Here are some drops on my hand. It's raining too much. Oh. He's also wet now. Here are some flowers. They are wet now. See, because of the water of rain. Even the road is wet. It's raining too much. There's a drop on camera of water. It's raining here. Birds are chirping. Look at the tiny crops here. We are enjoying too much. Drops. There are some drops of water on my mouth. So I will end this vlog here only. So bye bye. Take care, and I will see you in next video. Bye.